All right, it's time for part 2 of Glaros Beach, Paralia Glaros. Because the first episode, I don't think it really showed the beach, as I made it on the very end on the beach that's close to the road. But as I walked along the beach, I realized that it is actually sandy inside in this part. So I really wanted to make a justifiable episode part 2. And here we can also find a larger piece of sandy part. And also the sun is now shining more, so you can see a bit better how it looks like. And there is even a church on that cliff over there that's called Agia Marina. Actually, at one part of the beach it's mentioned that it's named like that, but I think that it's actually the same beach, so I'm gonna just call it Glaros, unless I find some other material about it. And yes, it is 22nd of April. It is too warm right now. It is 26 degrees Celsius and it's 1 p.m. and this beach is located around 5 kilometers away from Chania and about the same from Agia Marina, the small village that I'm staying at. As today I have been walking and I will walk all the way to Chania from Agia Marina, which is in between 8 to 10 kilometers depending on which route you take. But yeah, let's then take number 2 I mean part 2 of Glaros Beach here. So yes, this part of the beach is definitely better, and I can already see that it's pure sand inside, which is not the same towards the other part of the beach. So if you're coming, make sure to check this part because it is more beautiful. Definitely a great beach, this one. So I thought to give it a justifiable video also for that. There is also another beach on the other side that's called Iguana Beach, or also Agia Marina. I think I will need to double check that one. But yeah, it's pure sand inside, so nice, so good. There are no stones, no rocks. It's perfect. Amazing. I see a lot of people swimming there towards the end of the beach. Is there something over there that I don't get? But yeah, you see, this is also very shallow over here. So it will take me a while until I reach a distance where I can take a swim. Which is quite strange because it was quite the opposite on the other side of the beach. But good to check around and investigate as usual. Yes, okay, let's then take a swim over here, as I really need to continue my walk adventure towards Chania and see that large city in Crete, how it is, because it will be a shame if I don't visit that one. Alright, it looks amazing. Based on the satellite measurement, it is 17.7 in the sea, which sounds about right, so we're gonna believe that. Alright, cool, let's go! Amazing. Amazing. Paralia Glaros, or if it is called Agia Marina Beach, based on the church. Anyway, it's very good to visit, and I'm really glad that part 2 it's a justifiable video for the beauty of this beach. Just 5 kilometers away from Chania is this one. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete.